Good morning children, welcome to math class. How you all? I hope you all good. So in previous session we had discussed about comparing 4-digit numbers. Am I correct children? So now everyone open studio page number 27. Okay. So look at the cost of different furniture in a shop. Number them as 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 from the lowest price to the highest price. Okay, here given cost of the furniture children. So just you have to give the numbers like 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 from the lowest price to highest price. So in these 5, which one is lowest price children? 3500 is lowest price. So you have to give the number 1. You have to give number 1. So next, observe children, which one is the next lowest price? 4460. Give 1 here and here this is next lowest price. So give number 2. And then which one is next lowest price children? Yes, shelf. So the cost of this rack is 7900. So this is next lowest price. So give 3. And then sofa and bed. Okay, have to give the numbering like this children. Next, arrange the prices from the lowest to highest. Now we have to arrange these prices from lowest to highest. So which one is lowest price children? So 3500 is lowest price. So write first 3500 and then 4460. Next, 7900. So this is the next lowest price. Here you have to arrange the prices from lowest to highest. And then cost of sofa 8670 and bed 8850. 8850. How to arrange the prices from smallest to highest. When we arrange numbers from smallest to largest, it is said to be ascending order. Okay, here we arrange the numbers from smallest to biggest, no children. So we can say that these numbers are in ascending order. Okay, these numbers are in ascending order. Ascending order means arranging numbers from smallest to biggest. Okay, arranging numbers from smallest to biggest. Next, arrange the prices from highest to the lowest. Now we have to arrange these prices from highest to lowest. Yeah, everyone arrange it children. Which one is highest price? Yes, cost of corn 8850. So next 8660. So first you arrange it from lowest to highest. No. Now you arrange from highest to lowest. 4460 and 3500. Okay, you have to arrange the prices from highest to lowest. So this is first 8850 is highest price and 3500 is lowest price. Next, here given the word ascend means go up. The word ascend means go up and the word descend means to come down. Go up means ascending and come down means is descending. So is the child ascending or descending the stairs? So is this child ascending or descending children? He is ascending the steps. So write ascending. 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 Okay. Next. So how we arrange the numbers here children? Here we arrange the numbers from largest to smallest. It is said to be descending order. Okay. Here we arrange the numbers from largest to smallest is called descending order. So here we learn two children ascending order and descending order. So ascending order means arrange the numbers from smallest to largest, and descending means largest to smallest. Now everyone open companion page number 12. Read the sentence, circle the greater number in each. Okay, here in these two numbers you have to circle greater number. Shyam has 1002 stamps and Rohit has 1020 stamps. So in these two, which one is bigger, children? Here 1000 and 2 only, and here 1020. So this is greater number. So circle 1020. Next, village A has 3845 people and village B has 3754 people. So which one is greater, children? 3845 is greater or 3745 is greater? Here 3000, here 3000. So check hundreds. How many hundreds are there? 800 and 700. So this is greater number. So circle 3845. And then next 3450 and 3475. Yes, 3475 is greater number. So you have to circle second number. Next, here given number, children, arrange the numbers in ascending order. So what you have to do? You have to arrange the numbers in ascending order. First 3406, 2607, 2109, 2507, 2108. So arrange these numbers in ascending order, children. What means ascending order? So these are the numbers given. You have to arrange in ascending order. So ascending order means arranging numbers from smallest to biggest. Okay. So which one is smallest number you have to identify, children? These all are 4-digit numbers. So check thousands place. 3000, 2000, 2000, 2000 and 2000. So 4 numbers are having 2 in thousands place. So check hundreds. Check 100, 600, 100, 500 and 100. So 100 is smaller now. So check 100 numbers. Here 100 and 100 same. So go with tens. 0 tens and 0 tens. So check ones, children. How many ones are there? 9 ones and 8 ones. So 8 ones is smaller. Yeah, okay, children. So 2108 is smaller. So first give numbering. This is first and this is next number. Next observe remaining 2607 and 2507, children. So which one is smallest? Yes, 2507 and 2607 and then final 3406. So first give number. Now write, children, which one is smallest number? 2108. So write 2108 and then 2109 and then 2507, 2607 and 3406. Okay. So here we arrange these numbers from smallest to biggest. So now we can see that these numbers are in ascending order. Okay. So like that you have to complete remaining 4, children. Next, just turn to next page, page number 13. So here given numbers, now you have to arrange the numbers in descending order. So what are the numbers given here? 2753, 2753, Now what we have to do, children? Here we have to arrange the numbers in descending order, means biggest to smallest. So which one is biggest number? You have to check it, children. So these all numbers are having 2 in thousands place. So check hundreds. How many hundreds are there? 700s and 700s, 800s, 200s and 300s. So which one is highest number? So 700s, 2 numbers are there. So check 10 children. 8. So this is biggest number, 2786, and then 2753. Okay, how to write biggest number, children? Next remaining, what are the numbers remaining here? Yes, you have to check it, children. Here I wrote 2786. Is this correct? Is this one only bigger number, children? No, you have to check it. Here 2876 also there. So this is bigger number. So first write 2876 and then 2786 and 2753, and what are the numbers remaining? Now these two only, children. Here 300 and here 200. So we know that. So 300 is bigger. So write 2357 and 2288. So now here you have to check, children. Here I arrange the numbers from biggest to smallest. So this is biggest number and this is smallest number. So here I arrange the numbers from biggest to smallest. So we can say that these numbers are in descending order. So like that you have to complete remaining 4 children. Okay. So everyone complete companion page number 12 and 13. Once again I am repeating, ascending order means arrange the numbers from smallest to biggest. Okay. And descending means biggest to smallest. Okay. This is about today's class. So everyone complete companion page number 12 and 13. Thank you. Have a nice day.